हम लोग रैशनलाइजेशन ऑफ सर्ट्स पढ़ेंगे और हम लोग डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि व्हाट इज सर्ड एंड और व्हाट इज रेडिकल. You know very well that nth root of a, this nth root of a is called surd or radical if nth root of a is irrational number, and a should be rational and n should be positive integers. So for being a surd, these things are very important. First one, the term that is in the form of nth root of a, this term should be irrational number, and here a is given and a should be rational and n is positive integer. So in rationalization of surds, first of all we have to remember what is a rationalizing factor, because this rationalizing factor is very important for understanding this rationalization of surds. So we are giving one example for rationalizing factor. When the product of two surds is rational, if you multiply two surds and if its product is rational, then each one of them is called rationalizing factor. For example, 2 root 3. 2 root 3 is a surd, and root 3 is also a surd, because this is an irrational number, this is also an irrational number, 3 is rational, and here we have positive integer, that is 2, because it is a square root of 3. So these are surds, and if the product of these two surds will be rational number, then only we can say that each one of them is the rationalizing factor of the other. Suppose 2 root 3 into root 3, if you multiply, you will get 2 into 3, and that is equal to 6. This 6 is a rational number. Hence, 2 root 3 is a rationalizing factor of root 3. And root 3 is a rationalizing factor of 2 root 3. Similarly, 4 2 by 3, this is a surd. 4 1 by 3, this is a surd. If you solve this question, then bases are same and power should be added. So 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, and that is equal to 4 to the power 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 3, and that is equal to 4, because this is 1. So this 4 is a rational number. Therefore, the product of these two surds is a rational number. Hence, 4 1 by 3 is the rationalizing factor of 4 2 by 3. And 4 2 by 3 is a rationalizing factor of 4 1 by 3. Whether this 3 plus root 2 or 3 minus root 2 are rationalizing factors of each other or not, to verify this thing, you multiply these two surds. So this is in the form of a plus b and a minus b. So its value is a square minus b square, and that is equal to 3 minus 2, and its final value is 1. 1 is a rational number. Therefore, 3 plus root 2 is a rationalizing factor of root 3 minus root 2, and root 3 minus root 2 is a rationalizing factor of root 3 plus root 2. So I think it is clear that what do you mean by rationalizing factor. Now come to this point, that is rationalization of surds. Rationalization, the process of converting a surd to a rational number. We are converting these surds to a rational number. So the process of converting a surd to a rational number by multiplying it with a suitable rationalizing factor is called a rationalization of surd. Rationalization of surd is a process for converting a surd to a rational number. How it will be converted? It will be converted by multiplying a rationalizing factor according to that surd. I think it is clear that what is a rationalizing factor and what do you mean by rationalization of surds. With these things we can solve some problems. So let us come to this place. First question, find the simplest rationalizing factor of these questions. You take any one. Suppose we are taking A. Root 48 we have. Root 48 is a surd because this is a rational number. This total amount, this total term is an irrational number, and here this is positive integer. Root 48 can be converted to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2, like this. Just factorize 48. You will get this 2 and this 2 will come outside, and root 3 will be left here. The final value is 4 root 3. Now we have to find the rationalizing factor of 4 root 3. You have to find out a surd which when multiplied with 4 root 3, then we will get a rational number. So if you multiply 4 root 3 by root 3, then you will get 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So root 3 is the simplest rationalizing factor of 4 root 3. In this way you can solve cube root of 32, fifth root of 160 and cube root of 36. You can solve these questions with the help of this. Second question, find the rationalizing factor of this one. How to find the rationalizing factor of this surd? This is fifth root of a square b cube c4. This can also be converted as per rule of surds, that is a square b cube c to the power 4 whole to the power 1 by 5, which can also be expressed as a to the power 2 by 5. This 1 by 5 is multiplied with 2 into b to the power 3 by 5 into c to the power 4 by 5. You see, a to the power 2 by 5 is a surd, b to the power 3 by 5 is a surd, c to the power 4 by 5 is also a surd. So by which number we multiply here to get a to the power 2 by 5 as a rational number? If you multiply a to the power 2 by 5 by a to the power 3 by 5, then what's value will be coming? It will be a to the power 5 by 5, that is equal to a. And b to the power 3 by 5, if multiplied by b to the power 2 by 5, then you will get bases are same, then powers must be added. So it is b to the power 3 plus 2, that is 5 by 5, and its value will be b. C to the power 4 by 5, if you multiply by c to the power 1 by 5, you will get c to the power 5 by 5, and that is equal to c. So to convert this a to the power 2 5 by 5 to the rational number a, we have to multiply by a to the power 3 by 5. To convert b to the power 3 by 5, we have to multiply by b to the power 2 by 5. Similarly, by multiplying c to the power 1 by 5 in c to the power 4 by 5, we will get c. So rationalizing factor of this particular question will be a to the power 3 by 5, b to the power 2 by 5, c to the power 1 by 5. If you will multiply by this to this given number, to this given surd, you will find the rationalizing factor. So this one will be the rationalizing factor of a to the power 2 by 5, b to the power 3 by 5, and c to the power 4 by 5. I think you can solve this type of questions. Now come to the next question, express with rational denominator. Here we have questions, we'll take any one. Suppose we are taking b. b is 1 by 1 plus root 2 plus root 3. Here there are two terms only. So by multiplying 5 minus root 3 in numerator and denominator, you will get this one as a rational number. But here there are three terms. So this can be written as 1 by 1 plus root 2, you keep this one in bracket, plus root 3 is equal to 1 by 1 plus root 2 plus root 3. For rationalizing the denominator, we have to multiply 1 plus root 2 minus root 3. This is the conjugate, this one is the conjugate of this one, by 1 plus root 2 minus root 3. And solve. Here we have 1 plus root 2 minus root 3. But a plus b and a minus b will be here. So it is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to 1 plus root 2 minus root 3 by a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is 1 plus 2 plus 2 root 2 minus 3, which is equal to 1 plus root 2 minus root 3 by 3 and 3 cancelled. So 2 root 2 is left. But again we have 2 root 2. So this 2 root 2 is a surd. So we have to again rationalizing this denominator by multiplying 1 plus root 2 minus root 3 by 2 root 2 into root 2 by root 2, and you will get root 2 into 1, that is root 2, plus root 2 into root 2, that is 2, root 2 into root 3, that is root 6, by root 2 into root 2 is 2 into 2, 4. So this is the value where 4 is rationalized. We have rationalized the denominator, or we have converted the denominator to a rational number. So this is the way to solve. So here we have some questions. This is your turn to solve all these 6 questions. This one is the last type, that is find rational numbers a and b such that root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 is equal to a minus b root 3. In this question we have to find the value of a minus b root 3, and for this we'll solve like this. Question is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 is equal to we have a minus b root 3, or rationalize the denominator, that is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 multiplied by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Why we are multiplying root by root 3 minus 1? Because if you multiply this one, root 3 minus 1 to this root 3 plus 1, then this will be converted to a rational number, is equal to a minus b root 3, or root 3 minus 1 can be written as root 3 minus 1 whole square by a plus b into a minus b, that is root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square is equal to a minus b root 3. a minus b whole square, that is root 3 whole square plus 1 whole square minus 2 root 3 into 1 divided by root 3 whole square is 3, 1 whole square is 1 is equal to a minus b root 3, or root 3 whole square is 3, 1 whole square is 1 minus 2 root 3 by 3 minus 1 is 2, or 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2 is equal to a minus b root 3. Here also we have a minus b root 3. This will be followed. So this 2 will be cancelled with the common of these two. So what will be left? 2 minus root 3 will be left here. Or you can write like this. 2 is common, by 2 is equal to a minus b root 3. Or this 2 is cancelled. 2 minus root 3 is equal to a minus b root 3. Now compare these two. Here we have 2 minus 1 into root 3 is equal to a minus b root 3. So in place of a, here we have 2. And in place of b, here we have 1. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. These are the values of this question. Similarly, we have to solve all these questions. The process will be same. And this also you will try, because here left side and right side given, you rationalize the denominator and proceed, you will get this result. So you have to make all these questions. Thank you very much.